take a look at this video first.
The world is chaos, but you can stay calm. Life throws curveballs.
Pretty powerful, right? Calm voice, deep message, cinematic visuals, the Stoic philosophy content that keeps people watching. Now the question is it actually possible to make videos like this using Vexub? The answer is yes, and the process is much simpler than you might think. You just need to follow a trick, which I'm going to show in this video. So stay tuned till the end of the video. Normally, creating this kind of content takes a lot of effort. You need to write a meaningful script, record a proper voiceover, find matching visuals, add subtitles, and edit everything together. That can easily take hours. But with Vexub, you can do all of that in just a few steps. Start by choosing a topic, something simple like control what you can or stay calm under pressure, something like that. If you don't have ideas, you can quickly generate them using ChatGPT. Just ask for Stoic philosophy video ideas and ChatGPT will provide you tons of ideas. Then just grab one idea which you like the most, then go to the Vexub dashboard. Click on create a video and then select text to video. After that, choose your format. Horizontal for long videos or vertical for shorts. After that, select a voice. For Stoic philosophy content, a deep, calm and steady vocal works best. You can even use the voice cloning feature if you want it to sound like you. Now move to the script section. You can either paste your own script or just give a prompt and Vexub will generate one for you. But for Stoic philosophy content, I prefer preparing the script earlier so that you can input your creative thoughts as well. Now the most important part, we need to select a visual style that matches the mood. You can see that Vexub already has lots of visual styles inbuilt, but according to the video theme, we need a specific visual style here, by which it will represent the Stoic philosophy style. So here, instead of choosing a pre-built style, we will use the custom visual style feature, which is also available here in Vexub. So in this box, we have to provide a prompt like all the scenes should be dark ancient style and should include an ancient sculpture of Marcus Aurelius. Once everything is set, click generate. Within a few minutes, Vexub creates a complete video with voiceover, visuals, subtitles, and background music already in place. You can preview it, make a few small changes if needed, and then export it. And just like that, you have created a fully Stoic philosophy video without showing your face or spending hours editing. So yes, it's completely possible, and once you understand the workflow, you can create these videos consistently and grow your channel over time. I hope this video helps you. If so, please leave a thumbs up for me and consider subscribing. I will catch you in the next video.